Disgusting.
No,
It's disgusting.
yeah, I'm gonna puke. Oh. I never thought I'd be saying this, but I can't stop thinking about blood.
I should have saved you first. You shouldn't be going through this right now.
No, if you'd saved me, then Matt would be dead. What do you think I'd be going through then? Stefan, listen to me. You did the right thing. You did what you always do. You respected my choice.
And what am I supposed to do if Bonnie can't figure out a way to help you, huh? Because then you have another choice to make. Either let yourself die or be a vampire.
Well, then we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Oh my God, did I just say cross that bridge?
You're laughing. I'm pretty sure you don't actually think that's funny.
I can't stop them.
Your emotions are a bit heightened today. A lot heightened. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Listen to me. No matter what happens, I'm here for you. I can help you. Why don't you go back upstairs where it's dark? I'll clean up.